Everybody! I'm here today to show you how to set up an electric guitar. In this simple, easy tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for setting up an electric guitar just like this one. So essentially, you're going to need three things to set up your electric guitar. And I'll show you myself in a moment, but I just want to show you the three things that you need first. You're going to need an electric guitar just like this one right here. And this is actually my dad's Gibson Les Paul Custom, so I'm going to be very careful with it, that's for sure. He loves this guitar. It has tons of value to him and tons of sentimental meaning to him. So you need an electric guitar like this. You also need a cord like this to connect it to the third thing, which is the amp right over here that is connected to speakers, okay? As you can see, the amp is gonna have, where are they? Right over here, some inputs, and that's what we're gonna end up using. So let's get right into it. There, as you can see, are the speakers. I actually painted this when I was a kid. My dad loved this amp, and he wasn't too happy when I ended up painting it. I mean, obviously, he forgave me very shortly because, I mean, let's face it, it just looks awesome. But at the end of the day, yeah, don't go painting instruments that have meaning to your parents. All right, so essentially what we're going to do, and I'll get in the camera frame right here, is we're going to carefully pick up the electric guitar, okay? Carefully pick it up, just like that. Let's place that to the side, okay? Now the neck strap on the guitar is currently off right now, so I'm not going to be jamming out or anything in this video. I'm not that great at guitar. I only know some basic things anyways. But essentially on your guitar, you're going to have an output. Now on that, it just looks like a little port right over here, okay? You're going to take one end of that cord that I showed you. You're going to plug it in to the output of the guitar. Okay, some electric guitars will have multiple outputs, but you're going to essentially plug it into the output of the guitar, okay? Then what we're going to do next, I'm going to place this carefully to the side, is we're going to take the other end of the cord, okay? So we have another end of the same cord right here. One end is connected to the output of the electric guitar. The other end is going to go to the input of the amp, or the mixer that's connected to the speakers, okay? It can be an amplifier, like all in one, right, like this, or you can have a mixer that's connected to amplified speakers or powered speakers, that's fine too, but it's gonna connect to the input. So I'm now gonna connect it to the input. On this one we have, it's old style, you have two versions. You have bright and normal with two inputs on each. Essentially, I'm gonna end up putting it in the normal on the first input. So one of the inputs you need to plug it into. You've now connected your electric guitar to your speaker system, okay? Now the next thing that you want to do is make sure that you turn on the speaker system, okay? So in this amplifier there are two switches. I'm going to flip both of them on. Now I've actually unplugged it for this video because I don't want to have any sounds being made with the electric guitar for this video, but you want to turn on your speakers and potentially your mixer and even your amplifier. Whatever you have it connected, you want to turn it on. Now the next thing that you want to do is potentially turn on your electric guitar. Some electric guitars will have a sensor, the modern ones, that will automatically sort of turn them on, allow them to play. Other ones will have a switch, okay? On this one, it actually doesn't have a switch that allows you to turn it on. It has a switch that allows you to switch between different modes. So if this was turned on, as far as I know, I haven't played this electric guitar in a while, but as far as I know, the electric guitar would be playing right now through the speakers. You want to take a few moments to adjust your levels. Now on this electric guitar right here, you actually have 4 levels right here. You have 2 volume controls and 2 tone controls. So strum away, make sure that you adjust your levels on the electric guitar first. That comes first. Then you want to tune the electric guitar if it needs tuning, but if you play it often, it probably doesn't. This would most definitely need tuning. My dad hasn't touched this in a little bit, neither have I. But you want to tune it, set your levels on the electric guitar. Then next, you want to set your levels on the mixer or the amplifier or the speaker system. On this we have a few different options. We have the master control, which is a master volume. We have reverb, which is like that. If you play the electric guitar, you'll know exactly what that is. We have treble, mid, and bass, and then we have volume, which is like a secondary volume control. I've already set these levels. I'm not going to touch them because I've already set these levels to be exactly the way that I want them to be. We haven't touched these levels in a long time because we sort of got them to be exactly how we wanted them to be. And that's it. Jam out, rock on, Now you're ready to play. It's as simple as that. That is essentially how to set up an electric guitar just like this one. And that's it. I mean, if you like, number one, if you like this guitar, Gibson Les Paul Custom, I mean, I don't play guitar that well, so I don't know much about it, but my friends that play guitar are like, wow, your dad has a Les Paul Custom. If you like this guitar, smash that like button. Smash it right now. Smash that like button. But other than that, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.